What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson. Thank you for joining Rebound. So now we're going to show you how to do some things. This video is going to be on YouTube, and obviously it's going to be inside the back office. You can share this video with your people to teach them how to sign up and do the things they need to do. So first thing you'll do, as somebody that, so we're going to start with somebody that's already in. First thing you do is you come in, you copy your link. The link is copied. Then you send it to your new person. So we're going to start off like this person is a brand new person and they got the link. Right. So what they'll do is they'll come down here, they'll join. So do you see Rebound? Then make sure that your name is there. Your login name is right here. Rebound5x5 is the login name. You need to make sure that's there. Make sure your name is there, whatever it is. Or if you join in a company, just make sure Rebound5x5 is there. Then you put your first name, last name, username, select your country, wherever you're at. Put your email address in, whatever your email address you're going to use, whatever password. Make sure you confirm your password. This is when you pick your PIN. Your PIN can be anything. So your PIN can be anything you want it to be. So it could be it could be letters, numbers. Right now I'm typing letters and numbers. It could be anything. And then if that's the pin that you choose and you can look at, that's A1, 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 A1. If that's your pin, then you'll go ahead and you'll confirm it and click I'm not a robot and then click register, and that'll be your pin. So obviously we're not using that pin, but to let you know, it's harder for somebody to steal your pin when it's with letters in it. You know what I'm saying? Somebody that, hackers are creative people. We're not going to knock them for how creative they are. They are very creative. So once you register, just wait a few seconds. I'll say wait a few seconds to a minute, 5 minutes. You'll be good, and then you can come in and then you can log in. So once you log in, you'll see in the back office, this is where you'll be. So this is what your back office will look like, and it'll letting you know that even the admin account has to be renewed. Has to be renewed on 10/16, which is tomorrow. Actually, this was good for this video. So has to be renewed by tomorrow, and you have to make sure that the $50 in there. So $2 more. I don't know what I did, but $2 short. So I had to put $2 in there to make sure that I have enough for this to cash on tomorrow. So what we'll do now, he said minimum. We'll come down here. So you got dashboard. Just click it so you'll know. When you're time to make a deposit, you can go here, make a deposit, or go here, make a deposit. Mostly just click the one in front of you. Minimum deposit is $5. So we can see that we need to make a deposit. So what we're going to do is, while this video is going on, we're going to do a $10 deposit because we need to add money to this account so it can do what it needs to do. We'll do $5. You don't need $2. So we'll do $5. And then obviously it's going to stay crypto. You'll click amount to deposit. We're going to pay with BUSD, buy now payments. Click on that, and then it'll tell you to pay this account for 4.999 BUSD BSC. So what we do is we go to our wallet. All right, pick. All right, go to the wallet. We got 29 BUSD sitting right there. So we'll take BUSD. We'll take send. We'll go paste. That's that. That's the number 8192 01CB. Boom, boom, boom. Send that. How much BUSD? We're going to send 5. Just send 5. I said 499, but it's going to all go in there. BUSD balance, come here. Gas. Make sure it's at least 5 people when you do yours, and you do next. Come back, you see the fees are so low, it doesn't even make no sense. Our fees are low, people. So it says sending, pending. All right, so it's sent. So it's going to take a little while for it to get there. Probably by the time we get this video over, you'll see the money in there. All right, so it takes about 10, 15, let's say 15 to 30 minutes. I always like to under promise and over deliver. So it's gone. We just sent it, 229. We'll see where it goes around the time we finish this video. All right, so we had the dashboard. We just added 5. Obviously, it's not there yet. So what we're going to do, well, we can't do it because you only can get one position, but by tomorrow, this should open up for me to get my position, or it's going to automatically take it. So tomorrow we'll know exactly what it's actually going to do, because we got to set up so that it automatically take it. But then we'll let you know. This is our first time actually going through a whole month, because we're still in pre-launch and we wanted to see how these things work, doing them on our own before we go out there and really put it out to the people. So 17 referrals. You'll see how many referrals are in there. You got to make deposit, active position, withdraw. So when you're ready to withdraw, you come here. It's let me know I got $48 ready to withdraw. You request a withdrawal. You put the 48 in there. Crypto, of course. Your payment ID will be something else, and then enter your PIN. Whatever your PIN is, you'll enter your PIN. You know what I'm saying? You see how my PIN is nice and long, with all kind of crazy stuff in there. So don't even worry about it. But you have your PIN. You put your PIN in there. You go ahead and do your withdrawal, and then we will see it, and then we will send your money, because it'll show up on my dashboard. Let me know that you are ready to withdraw. All right. So we got that. We got that. So we got deposit. Go back to dashboard because we're getting the video set up. Matter of fact, this video I'm doing right now, we'll go right here. Then we'll find another great video to go here, just to add it to here. So when you see this on the video, like you see the video, you'll know that these two were blank at the time. We will activate position. You got stats, kind of show you where everything is. Total positions. You only got one. You only can have one. $48 is in there. 17. View new downline. So obviously everybody's not paid. Some people checking out, some people looking, some people waiting, some people trying to figure out how they want to go forward. So give them time to do what they got to do. This is a numbers game, people. If you got 100,000 people, maybe 1,000 to 10,000 actually joined you. That's just the way it works. And you just got to get used to the numbers. That's why you got to get more and more and more numbers. Then it shows your boards, like who you have on the boards. You got 5 levels, 5 on level 1, 1 on level 2. You have view matrix, and it just shows the different amounts of finances that are here for this board. So you got 1 that's on level 2, obviously, and then you have the 5 that's on level 1. And when you view the matrix, it'll show all the different names of everyone that's actually on the matrix. Everyone that joined Rebound under the matrix. And then it show them as you grow, and you grow from left to right. But these are not, this is not company for us. So if this person refers, they will go right here, only in their matrix. So that means you only fill up your matrix. So when you come in as a big dog and you put 100 people in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your 25, then on your 125 is gonna start filling up. That's how that fills up. And as your people start bringing, they're gonna stay way within your matrix and keep growing it down until your matrix is full. That's the way it works. So you can get spill over and you can create spill under, but this person will never help this person. It doesn't work like that. You have to follow the leader. Follow the leader. So everybody that starts a big team under you, they'll all obviously be under you. And you can bring in your family members if you want them to catch another level going down or something like that. So whatever you choose to do is what you choose to do, and that's all I can legally say. That's all I can legally say. So that's your boards. We just went over withdrawal. You got your promo ads. You can use these banners to put your ads for promo center. Right. So you got your buy credit, ad credits. So when you join, you can put more than $50 in there. You for $5,000, you can get 1,000 more login ad impressions. 1,000 more just for $5. You're not getting that nowhere. So 1,000 more. So if you want to have 10,000 a month, you can go ahead and just pay $10 extra. That's it. Pay $10 extra, get you some login ads. That's all you got to do. You know what I'm saying? Login ads, everything you need, and you'll have everything that you need while you are growing. All right. That's what you can get when you do buy ad credits. So banner ads, this is what you get when you first start. So you'll get 50,000. So you won't have what's that, 200,000. You'll have 50,000. But this is the admin, so you don't have to worry about going against admin. So you'll have 50,000 banner ads that will be shown. Then you have 50,000 text ads that will be shown. So all you do is come through here, put your ads in, assign how many credits you want to use. You don't have to use all your credits. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got a good website URL that's going to put your good lines in, like, make this now, never done before, or something, whatever intrigues the people when they read it. Make sure you put something good, then come back to the login ads. It's actually how you set your login ads up. So when people log in, they will see your ads all together as they wait to join in their back office. So they have to see it. It's a mandatory thing. So you will mandatorily have your ads promoted when they come through. All right. And on the bonus page, you see you get your products. So you gotta do is come down here, credit seekers, boom, download. Smart money seekers, boom, download. Money list, ooh, beautiful stuff. Boom, download. Got them all. So you have all your products. All 6 products. 6 products in this awesome business. 6 products. Each one does something totally different. 3 different ways to advertise your own business. Your own, whatever you're doing outside of Rebound. We want to bless everything that you're doing. So 3 different ways to advertise your own business, and then 3 different ways to get your money correct. Get your money right. Don't advertise Rebound on Rebound. You'd be wasting your ads. Now, if you want to do a test ad for like 5 or 6, see how many times it pop up or whatever, that's up to you. But no, don't do that on here. Then you come and edit your profile. Then you log out. Then you can log out. Right here. Then when you log out, you'll see your frequent asked questions. You can log in again. See you soon. Like, yo, we know you're coming back. Contact us. You put your form out. It'll come straight to the email. You got your frequently asked questions. We're still putting these together, putting them in there, but is my personal information protected by your company? Any personal information that you provide to any of our businesses are privacy protected. Your information will never be shared or sold to anyone. So letting you know that, yes, you're good. Your stuff is protected. And then you protected your stuff even further by putting your pin in. You put your pin in. So we got all these great things going on here. This is Rebound, people. How to do everything. How to do everything. So let's go back in, log in. See, this is where the login at. I haven't even tested an ad. I mean, because then my ad will be stuck in there and your ads won't show. So I haven't did anything yet. So the dashboard, boom, it's there. So 229 in 8 minutes. I mean, it probably was faster, but I don't know. It probably was faster, but I don't know. But we got enough in there for tomorrow for it to pull the money out and then pay for itself. All right, I just wanted you to see that. So all these will be changing. I'm going to be sending this video to my admin. I'm going to be sending the first video that you see. Let me see. When you come here, when you want to just promote the video, this is going to change. This video is going to change. That first video is going to change, and then I'll think of another good video. Might just be a motivational video. And like I said, you can show people the business from the website. Like, yo, log in, sign up. All right, don't put no money in yet. Let's go through it. Rebound 5x5. Boom. This is they can watch my video that I put there. I'll sell them for you. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Rebound. This is the owner. This is really him. This is his guy. The guy doing the video that you see. Don't they look just alike? Yes. Look, the queen, it looks way better than him. We understand that. We know that she's super beautiful, and we know that's who she is, and she's the queen. All right, so she's the queen, and she's there, and she's the queen. All right, beautiful people. Mission statement: Rebound was created to help souls build their dreams and build a monthly income to cover and supersede their daily needs. Got daily needs, you got monthly needs, you got yearly needs. $31,000 a month. People will be happy to have $31,000 a year. So if you can make that a month, that's really changing the game. So if you making $60,000 a year and you're now making 2 months what you used to make all year. So that means if you can still live off of that income and you want to just save, you can just, or just splurge a little. Take 3 months, take 90,000, and then take the other 9 months and then save that and put that in an investment or something like that. Do what you want to do, but you can do it once you grow. Then you got your pay plan right here. You can show it to everybody. Let's see. It might be a little too small, too big. So yeah, you come here to your pay plan. Boom, right here. Our pay plan. Work it up. Explain it to them. Break it down. $8 a person for everybody. Everybody gets paid the same. I mean, of course, the producers are going to get paid a lot more than the people who don't produce. So, but that's because they produce and they fill them up. But they might be dropping people under you and helping you get a little change. So bless them by telling other people. You know what I'm saying? If somebody gave me 5 people in my row and I ain't do nothing, I'm definitely gonna go tell 5 other people to bless them back. But it still blesses you because they put 5 under you and you just put 5 more. So now you got 10 people under you and you're making $80 a month. You know what I'm saying? It changed. Everything just changed. You know what I'm saying? So, do what you got to do. You got your awesome products. You're going to show them right here from the back office. We went to promo ads, and then out of the promo ads, we just clicked on the link. Smart money secrets. Be consistent. Become financially free. Focus. Be consistent. Become financially free. Tells you about all the awesome banner ads, login ads, text ads, everything that you need is there. And then you can join, log in. Well, we're already in, but that's pretty much what that had. You go back to dashboard. And really, if you want to find that again, remember it's under promo ads, and then come click here. It'll be your link, but it'll keep you within your website so that you can go ahead and do your own videos. You can do videos just from here, people. You can explain it just from here. Rebound 5x5. You missed a shot. You missed success the first time. We're going to help you make it the next time. You know what I'm saying? We all miss. Failure is a step. You know what I'm saying? If you shoot a 3-pointer and miss, and the ball comes off the rim to one of your guys and they throw it back to you, you got a chance to win again. You know what I'm saying? You got a chance to score again. So that's what we're doing. We're scoring again. Beautiful people. All right, people. This is your boy Terrence Gibson saying like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go. Let's grow. Let's glow. Let's do this, people. God bless.